If you can't see the road when those first rains arrive, maybe it's time to replace those wipers. Tridon standard blades and wiper refills are a simple, effective solution for most vehicles. Tridon wiper refills are an easy fix for poor wiper performance. These wiper refills are available with metal rails or plastic backed for standard blades. The metal rail refills rely on quality natural rubber for their performance, while plastic back varieties use moly graphite infused rubber for excellent UV resistance. Both varieties are available in narrow, mid or wide back sizes and are designed to be trimmed to length when necessary. So selecting a refill to suit your vehicle is no trouble at all. If your vehicle sports Japanese spoiler blades, Tridon has catered for this too. Every rubber refill has been engineered specifically for each vehicle to manufacturer standards, and it's designed to work with the original curved steel rails. When your wipers are applying uneven pressure, jumping across the windscreen or becoming noisy, you may want to upgrade the blade assembly. Tridon wiper blades range in size from 11 to 28 inches long for both front and back windows. Their low-profile design uses a galvanized zinc steel frame with stainless steel rivets. This ensures maximum corrosion protection. Plastic bushes keep your wipers smooth and quiet with a long service life. Each Tridon standard blade wiper blade is fitted with a quality rubber refill and supplied with adapters to suit various arm designs. When bad weather strikes, you'll be thankful you trusted Tridon wiper blades and refills to keep your vision clear.